Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London. I'm going to be showing you how you can have this gorgeous layered autumn leaved sort of jelly sandwich type nail design. So you want to have gone ahead and applied your base coat, and I'm going to be using this colour first, which is coconut, and I am going to be drawing leaf shapes. And obviously because this is layered, there's going to be a lot of building up, so you just want to do like a rough leaf outline with some leaf sort of details. Now this is going to be a lot of layers of polish. If you want to reduce that, then obviously just add more of the leaves than I have done to get the look but with less polish, if that makes sense. But I'm just showing you how I built it up. So I'm coming back in and I'm just using again the white polish, and I'm doing a mixture of sort of outline leaves and then solid leaves, as you can see here, solid leaf shapes. So like I say, like if you wanted to do less polish, then you could like do all this on the one coat, then come in and apply that sort of clear pinky colour that I just applied. But it's totally up to you. But I think this is a gorgeous effect, and it's worth all the layers. If you haven't got that pink one, you can kind of make these sort of like jelly colours yourself with the colours that you've got. And I'm using a base coat instead of using up all of my top coat. And basically you just mix all the colours together, and that's how you get that sort of jelly look. And obviously you can have it as light or as dark as you want. So then I'm just using a flat brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit more because it's just not as dark. It's just adding that sort of hint of colour, and that's what I think really helps build up the depth with this mani. And it's easy as well, even though it looks quite difficult, because all you're doing is just adding, for majority of it, like blocks of colour, as you can see here. So this colour that I'm using is orange soda, and again I have like kind of watered it down with a base coat, and again just applying it randomly over the nail. And then I'm using that same colour and adding some of the sort of more purpley leaves, and this one is Wine With Me from their old autumn collection, by the way. So you can see how it's starting to have that depth now, and like I say, I'm just trying to cut down those layers of polish, as you can see here, just adding the details. Obviously you can build this up any which way that you want. I'm just showing you how I've done it, and again coming back in with that clearly pink. So I've kind of gone ahead and added all the details. You can see I've added more of the orange soda just to take more of the white out of it, and then this is the kind of final shade of the colour just to sort of finish it all off. But it does, I think it looks so funky. It's kind of really got that like depth into it. So I'm showing you this because basically this is how I got those few glittery parts on it. So this is diamonds, so I was gonna apply this on it just to kind of add that gorgeous sort of hollowy glitteriness, but I didn't like it. I felt like it kind of lost the depth of the mani when I did this. So basically I just wiped this off, but then some of the glitters kind of stayed on the nail, which kind of worked. And then I just went ahead and applied a matte finish. I just thought that this looked better, but obviously if you prefer glossy, you can keep it glossy. And then you kind of just got those specks of glitter, which again I think really added to the depth of it and kind of made it look a little bit 3D, if that's the right term. But I really like the look, but that's how I got it. And I just put Wine With Me on the other nails. So let me know what you think of this layered mani. If you're going to recreate it, I'd love to see it. Tag us in on Instagram. Kiki London's Instagram details are on screen, and you can tag me on at Gelulicious, and I will share your recreations in my Instagram stories. So let me know your thoughts on this mani. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.